It's December the 23rd, 2022, and this is going to be a little bit different video. We're going to go all the way from the Santan Valley, Arizona area to the Del Rio, Texas area. I had the occasion to travel to Arizona with my brother Mark, and while he was in Phoenix, I went to visit an old friend of mine, Mr. Kent of MrKent.com. Now, I'll place a link in the description below so that you can go to his website. It's filled with a lot of useful information and free tutorials. Mr. Kent also has his own YouTube channel. I'll put a link in the description below. What you're looking at now in the center of the screen is the aqueduct that is 336 miles long. It's diverted from the Colorado River all the way down to the central and southern Arizona area, which supplies a lot of their irrigation needs. That's quite an engineering feat. As you can see, it's relatively flat in this particular area of the county, not counting the mountains in the background. Anyway, it's one of the fastest growing communities in the second fastest growing county in the country. That's incredible. I was also able to spend some time with Mr. Kent's son Bruce and his grandson. Bruce is quite the handyman. While I was there, he was in the middle of rebuilding a pickup truck from the ground up. They call it Gunny Built. Well, this is Christmas Eve 2022, and we've gone from the Santan Valley to the Texas Canyon Rest Area near Dragoon, Arizona, just before we crossed over into New Mexico. Anyway, it has some very interesting geological formations. As you can see, it looks kind of like Stonehenge West. Well, not really, but anyway, I thought it was kind of neat, so we stopped, got out the drone, and you can see that it is very interesting, and the video really doesn't do it justice. To see it in person is incredible. And you're looking west there, back towards the Tucson area. That's not something you see in south central Alabama. And there's the rest area up there. It's called Texas Canyon Rest Area on Interstate 10. I don't know, it's probably 100 miles from the New Mexico border. Made a little rest stop there. Very interesting. And there we are overhead, getting ready to come in for a landing. I'll show you where we're at. And there we are. It's Christmas Eve 2022 on the way to Del Rio, Texas. Okay, this is the Amistad National Recreation Area, which is located near Del Rio, Texas. It's 1,000 miles of shoreline that runs between the U.S. and Mexican border. This happens to be the Texas portion, and Amistad has a Spanish meaning of friendship. So anyway, this is the old roadway that runs across in this particular area near Del Rio. We came across the bridge, which will come into view shortly as I pan around. Beautiful countryside, beautiful area, lots of great fishing and boating, camping, picnicking. Anyway, we're coming around to the new bridge. This is a reservoir, and it's at the confluence of the Rio Grande, Devils, and Pecos rivers, and it was created by the Amistad Dam in 1969. By the way, the bridge is situated on US Highway 90, running east and west. In the upper right is the bridge I was just showing you. We moved down US Highway 90, probably 3 or 4 miles, and took off from a different vantage point, and to give a little different view of the reservoir. Yeah, this is looking north toward the end of the reservoir. The Mexican border is to the south of us, 2 or 3 miles. Anyway, there's a lot of great recreation in the area with all that 1,000 miles of shoreline. The reservoir also runs into Mexico as well, so anyway, we're coming around to, we'll be looking towards the south. Not quite sure what that cabin is or house is there. Could be one of the, that could be Governor's Landing. I'm not quite sure. But I believe it's part of the Amistad recreational area. Very faintly in the very top of the screen you can see the water, and on the other side of the water is the Mexican border. So we're very close there. A little gorge there. There was no water in it at the time, but it does fill up with water. Pristine countryside. Again, there you see the water in the top of the picture. On the other side is the Mexican border. We're close. Give you a little different look of what it looks like down there. Anyway, if you like this video, hit the like button. Also, hit the subscribe button too. It really helps out the channel. So I'm getting ready to come in for a landing there. I'm right near a sheep pen. There were probably, I don't know, 25, 30 sheep in this pen. And they got all huddled up when I came over them. Anyway, that's it from Southwest Texas. Be sure and like and subscribe. It really helps out the channel. Thank you so much for watching.